and welcome to a new video here on my channel. So if you guys saw my last video, I think I said that I would cut bangs. This is something that I have been wanting to do for a very long time. When I was younger, I used to cut my bangs like every half a year because I actually love bangs. But I was supposed to be like a little shady and fool you guys through this video, but I realized that I'm not like that. I don't want to lie to you guys. So we are actually not going to cut our own hair because the honest truth is that even if I've had bangs for so many times, I can't have bangs because I don't know what it's called in English, but my hair, like right here, doesn't go down. Like, it's impossible for my hair to lay flat because it grows that way. So every time I've had a bang, every time I've had a fringe or bangs, it just looks horrible if I don't take 1 hour out of my day to fix that. So we are going to cut our bangs, but we're going to do it with a fake bang or fake fringe. Is it called that? I don't know. This is from Sash and Vogue, also as my extensions are. It's the exact same hair brand, and I've used the exact same hair color from Lunar Tides. If you guys have not seen that video, I have a video on it. I can link it up here. So this is a clip-in bang fringe that you clip on like this. And you cut it yourself. And I know that I should go to a hair all over. I know I should go to a professional to get it professionally done and cut, but that's not what we do here on the channel. We try stuff that we can't do for the fun of it. I will have some links if you guys are interested in a fake fringe like this. Get my hair, my own hair out of the way so I don't cut that. I think I'm also going to just pin down it like this so these parts don't, like, I don't know, get cut in the process. I have not put this on yet, so I don't really know how to, but I think that you should start off with these two and pin it right here. There's the middle, I think. Okay, and I'm gonna and then this one, I'm just going to clip right there. Ow. Okay, and now it looks like this. I look like that, the Addams Family, what's it called? Okay, so I've heard that you should save like some of the sides so it blends in nicely to your own hair. So maybe I should take these. I guess that could work, right? To just have the bangs there. Let's try it. Like that. I'm just gonna pin it down behind my ear. Now we have our bangs right here and we should cut it. I really do want like a very, I don't know what kind of bangs I want. Do I want like a short one? I used to have when I had silver hair, I used to have these like super short bangs and I thought it was so cute. But I don't really know. I'm going to cut it off quite long at first and then we work our way up. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is the hair and it looks absolutely ridiculous. Okay, what I think we have to do is, here's my own hair, take like the bottom part and make it thinner. Okay, so we're just going to cut this so it's thinner, and also I want to make it shorter than the top. Ah, I got it in my eye. Oh my god. Oh my god, I have it in my eye. I got it. Whew. Okay, I guess I have to close my eyes when I cut my bangs. That's not a good idea. A bit more, I feel like. Okay, I mean, I don't think I will make this better. I think that I will have to curl it. With my straightener, I will try and curl my bangs to make it look at least a little bit better. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it like that. Take this down. This is so fucking hard. How many of you guys are thinking to yourself right now, Evelina, you're fucked hard and you should stop? Because I'm almost there, but not really. I still think I can pull through. This is just way too much hair, honestly. Okay, let's take these out the side. I mean, no, this does not look good. Okay, I'm just going to thin out the sides. I will still have some of the very long ones, but I just want to thin it out. I think that this could work if I had some kind of hat on. So we are going to try that as well when we feel like we're ready. Okay, you know what? I don't think that this will look better than this, at least today. Maybe next time that I put this on, I can try and perfect it a little bit more. Okay, and now for the big reveal. Let's take out my own hair. I know it's not the exact same color because I've honestly washed my hair since I dyed it and it's become a little bit lighter than before, but I think it will still look cool. This is the fringe, it's like yellow here. I will have to fix that. So maybe I cannot wear it today. Maybe I will have to dye it before I go out with this. I mean, yeah, it doesn't match perfectly, but let's see. Okay, I think that we are done. What do we think? I actually really like it, although the mistake that I probably did was that I used way too much of it to create the bangs, because the bangs is like super huge right now and it just looks like a little mushroom kinda, but I still think it looks cute. I mean, right up here you can totally see that it's clipped in, but I wouldn't say that you can see that it's fake from the front. Or what do we think? The more I play with it and cut it and just perfect it, I think that I can really make it look real, or more real than right now. Should we try it with a hat or something? Woo! Okay, first off with my beret. I just asked my boyfriend and he thought it looked weird. But I actually think I look super cute. I mean, as I said, I did the mistake by taking too much of the hair, so it's like super thick, but also I kind of like that look, honestly. It looked like I love indie pop. Anyone else thinking that? Because I do. Also, when I use the hats, it's kind of pushing down my bangs, so it's like a little bit longer than I wanted it to be, but as I said, I will have to cut it more next time I try it on to perfect it. Cute! Is it just me that really likes it? Like, I think I look so cute. It's kind of nostalgic to have a fringe that I used to have. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please vote up here what you guys think of the bangs. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that we will see each other in my next video.